Bob? I need to get back to nature. I think we should go camping. What do you think?
Catskills would be a good place to go camping, maybe.
Man and nature. Ah, Catskills.
Camping would be great, huh? Camping would be so good. Oh, we gotta go camping, man. We have a lot of
Camping. Bonfire. Tent. Trees. Camping.
I gotta go do Bills tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
Camping. Remember camping? Boy, can't wait for that camping trip.
Camping.
Oh, camping. Oh. Yeah. Camping. Hey, Bob. Hey, Bob. Bob?
Going to do?
Hey, what's on the TV? Hey. Hey, that won't come off of there.
Oh my God! What am I gonna do?
What is that? Oh my goodness. What is it? What's going on?
Here we go. Oh my God.
Bob, where are you? Bob? Bob, you must be here. Bob?
Sarah always told me if I didn't stop drinking, something like this was gonna happen. Sarah always told me if I didn't stop drinking, something like this was gonna happen. Oh. Oh. Oh no. Oh. Oh. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do?
Well, bless my soul, what's wrong with me? I'm itching like a man on a tree. My friends say I'm acting queer as a bug. I'm in love. I'm all shook up, hey, yeah. Well, my hands are shaking, my knees are weak. I can't seem to stand on my own 2 feet. Now who do you think when you have such luck? I'm in love.
Never gonna drink again. I'm never gonna drink again. Sarah always said this would happen. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, calm down, calm down. Park the car. Calm down. We gotta park the car. Gotta hide. Gotta hide Bob. No. Leave Bob there. Yeah. He's dead.
My heart beats so bad it scares me to death. Touch my hand, the one she like out. The kisses on her like a volcano at sight. I'm proud to say she's my buttercup. I'm in love. I'm all shook up. Hey. Well, the tongue gets tired when I try to speak. My inside shake like a leaf on a tree. There's only one cure for this soul of mine.
Okay, Sam. All right. I've got to get rid of all the physical evidence. I was never here today. Go.
Wait a minute. It's peculiar. What's the door doing open? I was just here. The door was closed. Is somebody here? Hello? Okay. All right. Get rid of everything about camping. No camping. Let's go. That was close. The answering machine. I left a message. Gotta get it.
Hi, Bob, it's Tim. Just wondering if you want to go camping today. I'm all set. I got all the gear. I'll be over in about 5 minutes or so, and we'll go camping.
Camping, death, kill, no.
Oh my God. What am I going to do?
Camping, death, kill, no. I didn't kill anybody. I've been right here. I didn't go camping. I've been right here.
Camping, man. We're going. Sarah's on the phone. I told you you're not gonna do bills. You're gonna come with me camping. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. You've been sleeping too long.
Oh no, I'm going home, Bob. I'm gonna go do bills. Oh man, I'm doing bills.
What are you talking about?
Get out of here. I'm doing bills. Oh man,
What's
no
getting
camping.
over you, man?
No camping, Bob.
Come on, I got all the stuff in the car.
No
Come
camping.
on.